Oh, okay now, get sorted lad. Let me just straighten that up. That's it. Yeah, can I see it? Can I not? That's it. Fuck it, I think I moved it back to the same place.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
Well, look how brave I am. Look at the clouds. Looks like it's going to piss down. But I'm out. Had a good morning. Got up. I've shaved this little body of mine. Done my beard. Done my hair. Over a little bit. Stay there. Go Carter. Yeah, had a nice shower. I'm not happy with that moving. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I thought I'd brave it, come out. I'll tell you what, when I was shaving and all, I thought to myself, if I had to give up, either have hair growing back, it pisses me off shaving my hair and cutting me, shaving my beard and cutting my hair and that every week. Would I give up hair for not having any hair on my body, not even eyebrows? And I think I would. I do, I hate hair. It irritates me. There's nothing worse. Every Saturday or Sunday I've got to shave my beard, shave my head. It's just wasted my life, that is. So yeah, if I could give it all up, every bit of hair on my body, even eyebrows, then I'd do it. You could paint them on, couldn't you, if you wanted to, if you're that paranoid? But no more shaving, it'd be brilliant. Which would suit me down to the ground. But yeah, so I won't be travelling far today, because I mean, it's not give rain, it's give dull or dry day. But that's only in Crewe. So I'm hoping it'll just stay off, because I've got my jeans on, that's all I've got. Couldn't be arsed to put my textiles on. These are comfier. If we get drenched on the way back, I'm not bothered, but that was a big hit by a fly then. So yeah, get rid of hair. That's what we need to do. Had a poo first thing this morning, which is nice. Very enjoyable, I must say. I sat on that long, my leg went dead. But honestly, who needs to diet? I lost 4 pounds this morning, straight away. I don't know if any of you recognise this road. Fucking hell, I might do. I said to Aggie last night, I said I might come out today and just do a route from my house to my mum's house. You know, if any of you want to come down, test these roads out. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, on my own today again. Aggie's going into Northwich again to watch some scooters are on going through Northwich or something. And apparently they probably ride out more than me, so they'll probably make some new friends. Go for a little trip on a scoot. I was going to do me levers today. All I've got is fucking Allen keys, which I can do that side there. Well, I can't do that, they're fucking little nuts. So they'll have to wait till our hog, Superfly hog, can sort me out. So I was going to do them before I came out, but I didn't, as normal. Oh god, I've been ill Wednesday and Thursday at work, aching all over me, ribs aching, sore throat. Did another test, note, but yeah, I felt shit, but manned it out. I stayed in work, which I didn't think I'd be able to do. 10 hours wishing my life away. But one day, I think it was it Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday, I was hoping for a mini heart attack just so I could get home, but it never happened. So yeah, I manned it out. I surprised myself, didn't think I was going to. I thought I'd probably last an hour or two and then I'd have to go home, but I did. I'm feeling better now, but still got a like snotty, groggy chest and shit. So that's been a great week for me at work. It works hard enough without feeling like shit. I'm sick of swallowing snot. I wonder if that's fattening. I wonder if I put on weight with swallowing all the fucking snot I'm doing. I'm gonna pop my mum's, by the way. That's where I am heading. I said I'd pop down. Because if there's one thing I've learnt in life, you've got to see your parents as much as possible. Fucking hell. I've got to be here forever. Get down and see them. Took her out shopping yesterday, Arbroath. She loved it, she did. Pound World. No, not Pound World, what is it? Home Bargain we went first in Crewe. Then I took a Morrison's, looking for some ice buns. They're buggers to find them ice buns there, they really are. Couldn't find them in Morrison's, so we got note from there, which is a first. I've never been in a supermarket with my mum and come out with note. So yeah, we went from Morrison's in Crewe then to Lidl in Middlewich, which is where I normally go for my dinner at work, which is nice. So we went there. She stocked up on a bit of stuff, a bit of prawn salad and stuff like that, a bit of sauce. And then we went from there to Farm Foods in Winsford. A little bit of a shopping there. Took her home, she loved it, she did. She didn't do too bad on her spends, never really spent much, but loved it. So got home after, went back to my mum's house. She did me 2 hot dogs, she always feeds me every time I go there, and some chips and that. Had them, went home, never even got time to have a shower or wash, just lay on bed, fell asleep till about 20 to 8. Them hot dogs, I think she drugged them. Oh, it's beautiful. I got up, had a shower, chilled out. That's all I did last night. That was my Saturday night. Oh yeah, you're so good at this line, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, keep it going. Oh, I've dribbled. Yep. I'm going to even go over to the left on this one because I can, yeah. Victory. Fucking victory, we did it. Oh yeah, Biggie's coming. Fuck you, Banana Man. Love it. We love that fucking road, honestly. We love it. I love it. I don't know if you love it, but I love it. Oh, I love talking shit down that road. I love talking shit everywhere. I'm a shit talking motherfucker. I'll take you for a tour of Leftwich, I think, when we turn on there. Let's get an indicator on. There, see ya, on the right hand side. The little high school I went to, hated every minute of it. Fucking kill to go back there now though. There it is, County High School. Oh my god. We shouldn't be looking at you, love, but we are. Here's my little primary school I went to many moons ago. He looked a bit weird then. It's got about 5 kids in that tub he was carrying then, the weirdo. And all the family live on the estate as well. All of them. 3 sisters and our Roggy. They all live there. That used to be a paddling pool. Used to walk up here in bare feet. Oh fuck me. Fucking fucked up then. Oh, Walter.
A few moments later.
Arbroath did me a nice surprise again. Bloody Sunday dinner. Show you a little picture of that. Get that up there. Bloody marvellous it was. Absolutely marvellous. Cheshire potatoes just fell apart in the mouth. So yeah. There's no way I'm going to be slim ever. Ever, 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 ever. She's a feeder, that girl is. But it's beautiful. So yeah. Take a little trip back now. Fucking... my phone's digging in my leg. But yeah. Well, it's nice weather though. Still dry. Nice cool wind. Oh, there's a bit of pork chop, that is. It's beautiful. You've got to pick a pocket or two. Got that stuck in my head now. Oh my god, what's going on here on my road? Oh. Yeah, so beautiful Sunday dinner. Nice again, that was. Okay, love it. Love going with my mum. She always treats me. Surprised me. She knew Fatty was coming. She knew. She knew I'd end up turning up. And get her plate ready. Fucking good. And you can tell when you're fat because I've just had that. My stomach is bloated, honestly. I can feel a poo on its way soon. But I'm still thinking about what I'm eating tonight. I think I'm going to have a Chinese tonight. I think I might have allergic reaction to food. Every time I eat something, my belly swells up. Oh, love it. So little Ellie there. Little, what is she? Great niece, she is. I had to think what she was then. I was going to just say niece, but she's not. Great niece. Try get Saturday off, Og. Try get Saturday off. Hopefully the weather's good. I'm off next Saturday. Have a little trip up the Raven if you want, mate. Yeah, get something to eat. Be nice. Fucking cyclists. They're out again. Hate them. Keep saying it, but I'd still hate them. I had someone come in work the other day. He was slagging off cyclists. I never even mentioned a thing. He started. Oh, we got in a good conversation with that. He did say bikers. I hate bikers. I said, whoa, mate, hang on a minute. Think about what you're saying. Sorry, he said. Cyclists. Well, I'm with you there, mate. Who does like cyclists? No one. Not even fucking cyclists like cyclists. Oh, we all hate bikers, we all hate bikers, we all hate bikers, yes we do. Fucking knobheads. Audi drivers, these are turds as well. That one can have that. I'd like to have put my finger over his nose and burp that straight in his mouth. Nothing better than riding a bike after a full Sunday dinner. Love it. Up scooter boy coming down. Wonder if he's going north, which I don't know if this is normal or not. But Roggy rang me yesterday, FaceTimed me, yeah, while he was in the bath, which is a bit weird because I saw a bit of nipple. And then today he rung me, and then while he was FaceTiming me, got undressed. Couldn't see out, he kept his phone up, but it's still weird. Got undressed to have a bath or shower. So, you know, yeah, I couldn't see out, but I still knew he was bollock naked while talking to me. And people called me the weird one. But no. Oggy. So strange. Yeah, just found it a bit weird. You're weird, Oggy. You're weird, mate. Yeah, I'm not into fishing either. Sea fishing's alright, it's a bit more exciting, you're on a boat. I've been sea fishing in the Mersey and in Brill, which is not, it's enjoyable, but I don't like fish and I don't like hooks. So it's a wrong hobby really for me. I just like being out on the boat talking shit. But yeah, it was alright. It was alright. It was cold on the Mersey, went in December or something. Fucking freezing. In the end I just dragged my rod in, couldn't be arsed. Didn't want, every time I threw it in I caught something. Fucking hated it. I was gutted. I'm the only fucking bloke that goes fishing and gets fucking depressed when you catch something. Just throw it in, forget about it and chill out. That's all I wanted to do. I don't know what I'm going to do when I get in. Probably edit this video. Get this sorted. I don't know, I'll have to have a look for something to watch. The Boys is only on a Friday, a new episode, so I ain't got any of them watch. Do have something good watch I could. Don't know whether to try Stranger Things again. I watched the first season, but then it took that long before the second season came out. I didn't have a fucking clue what was happening, so I stopped watching it. But now I could carry him on through, couldn't I? Anyway, I've been watching a lot of Harry Mack on YouTube lately as well. If anybody likes a bit of rap music, right, which I do, he's a freestyle rapper. He just goes on Omegle and gets free words, random words off people. More complicated the better, and he'll freestyle about it. Best bloke I've ever watched, honestly. He's a talented lad. The raps he does over the words, you could release them as songs. It could be fucking hits, he's that good at it. But yeah, if you've never seen him, just go and have a look, you'll know what I mean. He's an intelligent bloke, proper, unlike fucking me. Right, I'll have to stop now, because I'm going up the alley of death. Right people, I'll see you next time. Godspeed. George W. Bush, over.
The big fat bastard's ate all his food. He's on the toilet now, emptying it. The fat bastard.